In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on autoplay videos on LinkedIn. If you want videos in your LinkedIn feed to start playing automatically as you scroll, this is a quick setting you can enable in just a few moments. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it so you can update the setting without any confusion. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see posts, updates, and shared content from your network. Once you're on the feed page, look toward the top area of the screen for the Me option. This is where LinkedIn keeps your account-related menu and personal settings. Click on Me to open the drop-down menu. Inside that menu, you'll see several account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where LinkedIn lets you control different parts of your experience, including account preferences, visibility, and media-related settings. After you enter Settings and Privacy, look for the option labeled Autoplay Videos. Click on that to open the video playback setting. This is the area that controls whether videos begin playing automatically while you browse LinkedIn. Once you're on the Autoplay Videos page, you'll see the available setting choices. To enable the feature, click on. After you select it, LinkedIn will update the settings so videos can automatically play in your feed. That's all you need to do. The process is very straightforward once you know where the setting is located. Go to your LinkedIn feed, open the Me menu, choose Settings and Privacy, open Autoplay Videos, and switch the setting to On. As a quick tip, if autoplay doesn't seem to begin right away, try refreshing your feed or closing and reopening LinkedIn. In some cases, settings can take a moment to apply. Also, keep in mind that autoplay may affect how much data is used, especially if you're browsing on a mobile connection, so that's something to be aware of depending on your device and network. With autoplay turned on, your LinkedIn browsing experience can feel more dynamic, especially if you regularly, watch professional content, company updates, or educational clips shared in the feed, and that's how to turn on autoplay videos on LinkedIn.